Tyrese George here. I work in the customer service department for Icom America. Today we're going to be unboxing the F200 radio. The box is a little bit unique. We have a red stripe here that we don't usually have on a lot of our boxes. And it's just cool to look at. It has a little bit of color. Obviously you got the serial number there on the side. But let's get right into it. Obviously you have all your paperwork here. Very important, don't want to lose that. And there's your radio. The F200, very sleek, small, fits right in the palm of your hand, and overall, good design. Of course, you have the battery for your radio. Can't use the radio without the battery, of course. And you can't use the battery without the charger. So there you go. You also have a belt clip. And last but not least, your cord. So that's going to be everything in this unboxing. I hope you guys have a great day and go out and get this radio.